I'm old enough to remember that there was a time before the espresso machine was commonplace, and you could only get coffee either black or with cream or sugar, right? And so that was a really narrow experience. Then the espresso machine comes along, and now all of a sudden coffee becomes a shapeshifter. You can make all these drinks with it, and an entire industry was built around the concept of a shot of coffee. Now, over the years, they've tried to do that same thing with tea, but not with a lot of success. The portafilters don't work, it's too fast, it's hot, all kinds of concerns. So we took a step back and said, okay, what if we were able to make tea shots, and what could you do with it? Well, we have 4 different types: hibiscus, green, black tea, and yerba mate. You can use all of them to make tea hot or cold, and you don't have to brew it. But where it really shines is when you make a tea soda. So just fill a cup with ice and add sparkling water. Then add some shots of your preferred flavored syrups, and then just pump the tea shots. So, is it an Italian soda with tea in it? Is it a tea soda with flavor? I don't know. What I do know is it's delicious. Maya Tea Company. Give us a shot.